Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you guys today? Fine. Are you really fine today?
Yes.
Hungry, sleepy?
No.
Really? I see from your face you look hungry. You look sleepy, no? You're really fine? Okay, let me ask you this one time. Let me ask you once again. How are you guys? You're not fine. Okay, so I hear some different answer here. How are you guys? Fine. Okay, good job then. If you have fine. So before we start, is anyone absent today? Is there anyone absent today? Who's absent today? Palevi. Okay, and then Aulia Esa. Why? Okay. Two. Only two. David. Why? So there's 3% who absent today. Is that correct? 3%? Is that correct? Okay, thank you guys. Okay, well, before we start our lesson today, are you guys still remember in our previous meeting, which is last week? What day? Selasa, what day? Tuesday. Yeah. So what we learned in our last meeting? Anyone knows the answers? Last meeting, apa yang kita pelajari di pertemuan sebelumnya? Cause and effect. Cause and effect. Pelajaran sebelumnya? Last meeting, in our last meeting? In our last meeting? Okay. So we talk about procedure types, which is the definition and the generic structure. Okay, so definition and generic structure. So the generic structure, there are GMS, goal, material, and steps. Goal, material, and job. So we talk about the generic structure, the job. So what we're gonna learn today. Before that, I have some questions. So, have you ever watched a video, TikTok or YouTube video about tutorial? Tutorial? Okay, let me show like this picture. Maybe you guys see in YouTube or TikTok video like this, how to use a GoPro camera. Or anyone else have ever watched other than this title? Pernah kah? Nonton? Contohnya apa? What kind of tutorial that you watch? How cooking? So how to make something? Is that correct? Yes. Well, contohnya apa? How to make apa?
Making coffee.
How to making
Coffee.
Good job. Any other?
Bread.
How to make bread? Good job. Okay, so how to use the GoPro? Okay. So, right now, so it become more familiar. So you guys, what jurusan?
MPLB.
Okay. And you guys know how to send file via WhatsApp? Yeah. You guys know? Raise your hand if you guys know how to send file via WhatsApp. Okay then. Well, good job. I want you to write it down. In whiteboard, but in Indonesia first. How to send file via WhatsApp.
Thank you. Miss,
Yes?
diingat satu buat itu.
Ya.
One.
Pertama,
nih.
siapkan apa, kemudian kedua, sama seperti yang sudah kita pelajari minggu lalu ya, tentang the generic structure, same as we learned in our last meeting. Pertama, siapkan apa biasanya? don't repeat out. That's okay. Five steps. Well, the other can see your friend's answers and maybe you have like bukannya ini dulu miss, ini dulu gitu. Maybe you guys have any other option.
Nah,
Or you guys agree with what is your name, sorry?
Hah?
What is your name?
What? My name is Rizky Reza Saputra.
Okay, Rizky.
Yes.
Go on, Rizky. Ya, go on, lanjutkan. Baca kan tulisannya? Tulisannya baca nggak? Oke. Kurang besar.
Kurang besar. Oh yes.
Udah leset, udah berarti kirim.
Wow, the big. Big font. Your size is small. Very, very big.
Oh.
It's too big.
Wow. Wow.
So big.
So big.
Oh my god.
Kemudian
Really?
agaknya small.
Your wedding
Small please.
so big.
Small please.
Smaller
Very,
please.
very big.
Okay, that's enough.
Yes.
Thank you. You may sit down back to your seat. Thank you.
Your
Well, everyone here can see the. Bisa baca tulisan dari sini?
Yeah.
Well, before that, let me underline something. And then, underline, and let me circle this. Well, did you guys notice here? Rizky write it down ada kata-kata lalu, kemudian, habis itu kemudian. Ya, betul?
Yeah.
Terus ada lagi kata-kata. There's also a word like buka, pilih, kirim. Ini kata-kata apa? Kata kerja, kata sifat, or what is it? Noun, verb, or verb? Verb? Is that correct? Verb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So this that I circle here is a verb. Good job. So kira-kira the procedure test jadi mudah dipahami tidak?
Yeah.
Mudah dipahami, betul?
Yeah.
Mudah dipahami, ada kata kerja di situ.
Yes.
Terus kemudian ada kata-kata lalu, kemudian habis itu, kemudian lagi, betul?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we call language features. Repeat after me, language features. Ikuti, language features.
Language features.
Okay, so the correct pronunciation is features. Repeat after me once again, features.
Features.
Okay, language features.
Language features.
Okay, good job all. So this is the language features. Language features. So what is it about language feature? So language features in a procedure text used to give clear instruction and guide the reader step by step. Okay. Artinya apa teman-teman? Udah memberikan instruksi yang jelas dan memberi panduan kepada pembaca secara langkah demi langkah. Good job. Okay, well. Do you guys ever operate a camera? Siapa yang punya kamera di sini? Do you guys have a camera, like camera, the real camera, not camera from phone, yeah? The real camera? No? Oh, you only know phone camera?
Yes.
So anyone here doesn't know, doesn't have phone, a camera, a real camera like camera DSLR? Well, that's okay, because I will give you how to operate a camera. This is the step, how to operate a camera. Yep. You may read it down, you may read it first. Maybe you guys already familiar with that. So, let me explain to you structure by structure. Let's go back to what language feature is. So, in language features, there are temporal conjunction, imperative sentence, adverb of time, and action verbs, and simple present tense. Good job. So, the first one, so students, while I explain to you, you may open your book. And write it down. Write it down my explanation. So the first one is temporal conjunction. Temporal conjunction. So you guys can see here temporal conjunction. So temporal conjunction itu adalah suatu hal yang menjelaskan secara urutan. Okay, sequence. You guys here can read this? Sama, so the same as that I underline here. Ini ada kata-kata apa?
Lalu.
Terus?
Kemudian.
Okay, well, lalu in English apa? Good job. Next. So, temporal conjunction is not only first, second, third, terus keempat, kelima, keenam. It's not only like that. Temporal conjunction is something that explains of sequence, like this. Sama seperti yang Rizky tulis tadi ya. Say as Rizky write down here. Lalu tadi apa teman-teman, ada yang jawab? Next. Good job. Terus kemudian apa kemudian? In English.
After.
Good job. After that. Also, terus habis itu sama juga bisa pakai in English. Habis itu after that, and then bisa juga ya habis itu and then. Okay, well, that's what we call once again temporal conjunction. Okay, good job. Temporal conjunction. Once again, temporal conjunction. Okay, let's move to the second one. This is what we call imperative sentence. What is imperative? Have you ever guys know what is imperative? Kalimat perintah. Good job. So imperative sentence itu adalah kalimat perintah. Like I give this one the example, cut the onion. Kalau dari yang Rizky ini apa ya? Sama seperti ini ya, misalnya. Let me square this sentence. Pilih nomor yang dituju. Ini sama dengan imperative sentence. Apa tadi imperative sentence? Kalimat perintah. Kalimat perintah. Terus the third one, ayo baca the third one apa itu? Use of adverb of time. Baca bareng-bareng teman-teman. Use of adverb of time. Okay, so like the example here for 10 minutes, 1 hour. Like that. So, like, have you ever guys, tadi ada yang nonton How to Make Coffee? How to Make Coffee, you right? So, misal di How to Make Coffee ada while you boil the water, you have to wait 10 minutes. Is that correct? Yeah. So that's what we call use adverb of time. Adverb of time. Good job. Adverb of time. And then next to the fourth one, yang keempat, apa itu teman-teman, dibaca yang keempat? Use of action. Action verbnya contohnya apa aja yang saya tulis? Okay, sama kayak yang I circle in here. So I here is a kata kerja. Apa ini kata kerja? Good job. So buka in English. What is buka in English? Good job. Open. So pilih. Choose atau select, betul. Terus kirim in English. Good job. Send. So kalian yang sebutin tadi open, send, what else? Choose or select. That's what we call action. Action verbs. Good job. Let's move into the last one. Baca bareng teman-teman. Yang kelima ada apa?
Use of simple present tense.
Good job. Okay, if you guys remember, before we study about procedure types, we study about recount text. Yes, betul? So in recount text, we use verb to. Good job. So while in procedure text, we use verb. Contoh lagi. Verb one. So in recount text, we use verb.
Two.
While in procedure text, we use verb.
One.
Good job. That's what we call use of simple present. Simple
Tense.
present.
Tense.
Good job. Thank you everyone. Oke, biar lebih mudah kita langsung ke we're going to the real example. So you guys remember that I explained in written sentence kalimat apa? Okay, good job. So this is that I showed you earlier about how to operate a camera. Ada kalimat perintah imperative sentence nih yang saya bold. That I bold here. So kalimat perintah itu imperative sentence yang menyuruh seperti turn on the camera by pressing the power button. Look through the viewfinder or screen. Same as that Rizky write it down here. Pilih nomor yang terus ada lagi buka aplikasi. Terus ada lagi pilih dokumen yang. Good job. So this is what we call imperative sentence. Good job. Next. Ada lagi tadi yang verb, action verb. Kalau action verb yang dipilih Rizky ada open, ada apa lagi? Select tadi, terus kirim atau pikirin?
Send.
Good job, send. Nah, kalau how to operate camera di sini yang saya bold ada apa aja teman-teman? Turn on, press dan
Remove reference.
turn on artinya apa turn on?
Menyalakan.
Remove,
Menghapus.
press, mana? Menyalakan. Good job. Ada lagi nih yang temporal conjunction yang menjelaskan sequence. Ini belum saya bold. Let's answer it. Let's kita bold bareng-bareng. Yang mana? Kira-kira yang temporal conjunction. Yang sama kayak saya garis bawah ini nih. Lalu kemudian habis itu berarti kalau di sini apa dulu yang pertama? First. Good job. Terus yang ini? Good job. Dan good job. Terus finally. Good job. So that's what we call temporal conjunction. Good job. You also write it down in your notebook. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Good job. Then so, and is there any question before we start something fun? Is there any question? No question yet. No question yet. That's okay. Well, if you guys don't have any question, let's do something fun. Are you ready, guys? So.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready.
So here, I have some tasks that you guys have to work in a group. Okay? In a group, 4 maybe, 4 or 3.
Okay.
That's okay. 4 or
Okay.
3. Yeah? 4? Okay. Well, I will give you this. 4. You can pair with this group. You can pair with this group. Yes. This is group 4 of you, and then this is
First, thank you.
okay. So all of the group already have the task.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Already have the task.
Yes.
Okay. Show it to me if you have the task. Show it to me. Okay. Show it to me. Okay. I will pick the leader. Okay. So you're gonna be the leader of the group. Okay. and you're gonna be the leader of the group. Also, you're gonna be the leader of the group. So please, okay, everyone, please pay attention to me while I'm gonna explain the test. So you guys here see the first one, how to apa itu dibaca teman-teman, how to turn on a TV. Terus sebelahnya how to charge handphone battery. Oke. Terus di situ ada langkah-langkahnya ya teman-teman, ada step by step. Is that correct?
Yes.
Good job. Sekarang kita balik ke belakangnya teman-teman. Nah, terus di situ ada complete the comparison table below with correct answer based on the two procedure text above. Ya, tadi ada language feature yang sudah saya jelaskan sebelumnya, correct?
Yes.
Nah, you have to compare those two procedure text. Yang pertama how to turn on TV sama how to charge battery. So you have to compare. Ada imperative sentence-nya. Terus yang kedua di bawahnya ada apa? Action verb. Good job. And then the next one? Okay, and then there are also temporal. Okay, so if you guys found some imperative sentence in how to turn on TV, you may write it down here. You guys understand?
Yes.
Understand all?
Yes.
Okay. You may work in your group, and also I already choose the leader. You can kamu pimpin teman-temanmu ya untuk mengerjakan untuk mulai berdiskusi, oke? You ready? All of you guys here ready?
Ready.
Okay, you guys may start now.
Yes. This.
If you have any difficulties, you may ask me. You may raise your hand and ask me question. Okay? I will help you guys.
No. No say yes. No say yes. No. This. Go to the train and battery. Yes. Number one. This. No say. Make sure this is no. Yeah, yes. Switch. Yes, switch.
Well, okay, everyone, may I get your attention, please?
Yes.
Okay. I will explain this part again. Sorry. So there is adverb of time. Okay, yang bagian adverb of time dibuka semuanya. Adverb of time. So if you guys found adverb of time in how to turn on the TV, you may write it down there. This. And also, if you not found any adverb of time in how to charge handphone battery, you may just skip it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? You guys understand all?
Yes, understand.
Good job then. Okay, thank you. Go on with your group.
Yes.
I'm sorry for the confusion, okay?
Yes.
You may go on, you may go with your.
This one. You have idea. You. It's not. I said you. I say you have idea. Yeah, you. Yes, waiting.
You guys, any question?
Idea. You're waiting. This. Waiting. It's not.
Is there any difficulties? Okay, 5 minutes more, guys. 5 minutes more. Okay, I see this group almost done. This group almost done also. This group, what about this group? Yes, okay. Almost done also? Yes, I'm done. Okay, so this group already done. Already done. Good job then. Okay, chop guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Once again, if you have difficulties, you can ask me. Okay, then let's wrap it up now. The discussion is end. Okay, you guys done? Already done? Okay, group 1 done? Group 2 done? Good job. Group 3 done? And group last group. Good job done. Good job. Wow, don't be happy. Jangan santai dulu, jangan tenang dulu. So, Miss Mirsa will invite one of the group to come in front and share their answer. Okay, is there any group wants to be a volunteer here? Or if you guys don't want, I'm gonna pick you. Is there any group? Maybe boys. Ayo, group boys. You can come from and explain to your friends your discussion. That's okay. Okay, come now. Here. Come now here. That's okay. Yeah, bring your worksheet and then explain to all of your friends your discussion. Okay, so who is the group leader? What's your name? Okay, well, the first one you may explain the imperative sentence from this one. Okay, semuanya dari sebelah kiri dulu. Yes, is there any imperative sentence?
Connect the charger to your handphone.
Job, next.
Step 2, remove the charger by pulling out.
Out.
I'm
Okay,
sure.
we have the cable. Yes.
Your action verb. Step 1, connect. Step 2, remove. Step of time.
And you guys can hear it? You guys can hear it? No. Louder, please. Louder, please. Okay, next the adverb of time. So he already explained the imperative sentence and action verb. So you explain the adverb of time. Adverb of time.
Yes.
Yeah. You may ready?
Approximate.
Yes. Yeah.
Approximately 2 hours.
Two
And
hours.
selanjutnya yaitu Why? One. This.
The battery is fully.
Icon. This. No, bro. This.
Yes.
Yes. The battery is full.
Okay. Is that already done?
Yes,
Is
no.
there any? Okay, so you maybe can explain the temporal conjunction.
Camera. And this.
Temporal conjunction. Apa tadi temporal conjunction?
One fresh.
First. Is there any other temporal conjunction? Second.
Second.
Is there any?
After that.
After that, good job. Terus ada lagi?
And then.
And then, well, okay. Is there any answers other than that? Or is that
That.
itu saja?
Yes.
Okay, well, good job. Well, so that's the answer from group 4. Is there any feedback or any comments from any other group? No. Okay, well,
Thank you.
I see from, wait, please, once again with the action verb.
Action verb. Number 1, connect and remove.
Okay, well, let me ask about group 1. Well, group 1 is that correct? Action verb in how to charge handphone battery ada remove and correct. Or maybe you guys have any other answer rather than that. Yeah, next. Why? Play, switch, take. Good job. So group 1 have lebih banyak jawabannya lagi ya daripada kalau tadi grup 4 apa jawabnya 2. Correct and
Remove.
correct and remove. Good job. That's okay. Apply everyone. So thank you group 4. You may sit down back to your seat.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, for the cycle passenger text, who is gonna want to be presenter? Which group? One group. Okay, girls, group 1. Let's go. Yeah, how to turn on a TV, yeah? How to turn on a TV. First, we did the imperative sentence.
Press the power button on the TV. Take the remote and press the turn on button.
Okay, first, for the action verb. Any other than you can do it. Connected, press, back, and right. Good job. And then the adverb of time. Adverb of time. So there's no adverb of time. Good job. So the last one is temporal conjunction.
Okay.
Temporal conjunctionnya only then. You sure? Or any other group? Kira-kira temporal conjunction yang di how to turn on a TV hanya then doang, only then doang. Correct ya? Betul teman-teman? Karena cuma ada then. Betul ya teman-teman?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Is there any feedback teman-teman?
No.
Feedback? No? Okay, thank you group 1. You may sit down. Okay, thank you. Let me take your worksheet. Your worksheet, please. Your worksheet, please. Thank you. Your worksheet, please. Thank you. So all of the group already give your worksheet. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you then. Let's wrap it up. So you guys still remember what we learned today? Okay, you may raise your hand and answer. What we learned today? What we learned today? We learned about apa ya? Language. Good job. Raise your hand first. Raise your hand. So we learned about language. Good job, language features. So in language features, okay, let me hide this first. So language features, there are 5. Okay, group sini. 1. Ada language features. Pertama sebutin dulu ada language features apa tadi? Temporal conjunction. Good job. Terus ini ada lagi. Good job. Ada adverb of time. Terus ada lagi action verb. dan apa kesusahan yang kamu temui. Oke?
Yes.
You guys can write it down in that Padlet. I wait for 5 minutes. Okay. The difficulties, ya. Difficulties kesusahannya apa? Setelah belajar bahasa Indonesia. What do you like? What do you like? Just a simple sentence. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You done? 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 Are you ready send it? Ready send? Ready begin? Ready send? Good job then. Ready send?
Yes.
Ready send? Okay, so you guys have already answered these 2 questions. Okay, well, thank you everyone. Kira-kira kita ketemu lagi kapan? You guys remember our next meeting?
Next week.
Next week hari Kamis. Yeah, betul, correct? Okay, so thank you guys. We're gonna see again in our next meeting, which is hari Kamis. And what we're gonna do? So we're going to start drafting. Okay?
Yes.
So in our next meet, we're gonna start drafting. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Thank you everyone for paying attention to me.
Yes.
Good afternoon. See you next week.
See you.